Hello to everyone. Today I would like to tell you something about maintenance. And we know some types of maintenance. Some types of provide maintenance like reactive maintenance, so they're waiting for breakdowns. And other type is proactive maintenance, when we have planned maintenance, preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance, etc. I would like to show you what is the optimum of maintenance in the normal production process. Optimum maintenance is you need to find this optimum place and optimum point where are the for maintenance cost. So I would like to tell you and show you what is this optimum point, and in the next video I will show you how to reach this point in the maintenance. So if you like this video, please subscribe and give me a like, and I will continue with new videos about the maintenance. So I can show you this optimal point like this. So somewhere here and here. Okay, so we can see that this can be happen if we have the new equipment somewhere here, and this equipment product is in the production, is working, and somewhere here is unplanned maintenance. So just we are waiting for breakdown, waiting for breakdown. Okay, next point is plant maintenance, and it would look like this. So this one is plant maintenance. It means preventive maintenance, time-based maintenance, predictive maintenance, etc. And when we look at the cost, we can see something like this. Yeah. So too many. So if we look here, and where is optimum? Optimum is somewhere here, where is the minimum of maintenance cost. Yeah. So this is total maintenance cost. So we need to find this point. Not too many preventive maintenance and not too many breakdowns. Yeah. We need to find this point. So this is graph, and this graph will show you trade-off between planned and unplanned maintenance. I hope that you understand, and if you don't understand, please write a comment and I can explain it again. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.